Man, what a crazy sequence of events this is. What is going on, guys? I'm back here with another video, and you can probably already tell by the thumbnail and title of this video. We purchased an STI. Now, this might come as a surprise to some of you guys because, as you guys know, we recently purchased a 1995 Toyota Celsior. So it's like, why am I adding another vehicle to the collection when I just purchased one? And a quick, simple answer is something happened with a coworker of mine, and he graciously gave me the opportunity to purchase his Subaru STI. You guys probably already seen it in the reflection of my sunglasses, but ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the new Subaru to the channel. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, we ended up purchasing a 2011 Subaru STI, and it is a sedan. I will say, my personal preference, this is just me, I do like the hatchback versions of these cars over the sedan, but the big wing and the sedan body, it's growing on me. I will say it is growing on me just a tad. I do want to say in this video, we are not going to get into what has been done to this vehicle. There are some aftermarket goodies that did come along with this car, but I just wanted to reveal to you guys because I didn't have a video for this week, and as you guys know, I'm trying to do every other week uploads. But one thing I will say about this car is that it is extremely loud. I don't know if you guys can tell, but here is the little exhaust tips. It actually has a custom 3-inch exhaust straight piped. It is a catless downpipe. I believe it has unequal length headers. I don't know about the headers, but from the downpipe all the way back to these bad boys, it is a straight pipe, and it is absurdly loud. If you guys do not believe me on how loud this vehicle actually is, I filmed a cold startup for your viewing pleasure, but I will say, if you're wearing headphones, it is extremely loud. I didn't look back the footage just yet, but I'm telling you, it is very, very loud. So enjoy. Like I was trying to say, I'm not too sure if the GoPro really picks up the magnitude of loudness that this car emits, but it is very, very loud, and it pops and bangs when I downshift. You guys will, in a future video, we'll do all those fun stuff. But ladies and gentlemen, this is going to effectively end today's video. I know it's a very short one, but I really was excited to reveal the STI. We finally got one. I am very, very happy on this purchase. I hope you guys are excited about this because I still have some things that I would like to do to this car, but we'll get into that in a future video. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Obviously, if you did, make sure to leave it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next upload.